GreenGeeks Reseller Hosting Review. Use experience. Links to GreenGeeks Reseller Hosting are in the description below. GreenGeeks stands out as an eco-friendly web hosting provider, and their reseller hosting plans cater to entrepreneurs, agencies, and developers looking for a sustainable way to offer hosting services. With a focus on green energy, GreenGeeks offsets 3 times the energy they consume, making it an excellent choice for businesses that prioritize sustainability. GreenGeeks offers unlimited web hosting space and bandwidth, which is great for resellers who need to support multiple client websites. Their cPanel and WHM Web Host Manager provide easy account management, allowing resellers to create custom hosting plans and manage clients effortlessly. The WHM gives resellers full control over their clients' hosting accounts, making it ideal for scaling your business. One of the standout features is free SSL certificates for all hosted domains, ensuring your clients' sites are secure and trustworthy. GreenGeeks also offers white label branding, so your business can maintain a professional image without showing the GreenGeeks brand. This feature is key for resellers who want their clients to associate hosting services with their own brand. Performance-wise, GreenGeeks Reseller Hosting is reliable with an uptime guarantee of 99.9% and fast loading speeds. They use SSD storage, which enhances the speed and reliability of websites hosted on their platform. Additionally, their free CDN, Content Delivery Network, optimizes website speed for a global audience, providing fast access to your clients' sites no matter where they are. Support is another strong point. GreenGeeks offers 24/7 customer support through live chat, phone, and email. Their response times are quick, and their team is knowledgeable and helpful, especially with reseller-related queries. Pricing is competitive, with affordable entry-level plans that offer great value, though renewal rates can be higher. For resellers looking for an environmentally conscious hosting provider with excellent features and support, GreenGeeks Reseller Hosting is a solid choice to grow your hosting business.